So I've been thinking a lot lately about what creates a workplace environment where people can thrive. If people are thriving, our workplace thrives. And one of the things that I noticed that really seems to get in the way is our human tendency to want to hide our mistakes or our imperfections. The problem, of course, is when we hide our mistakes, we don't get an opportunity to learn from them and to grow. And if we're not learning as a workplace, if we're not growing, then we're not adapting to our changing environment. And ultimately, we're not going to succeed. So I think what we need to do is figure out a way to make mistakes okay. One of the things that we've done here at my workplace, at Achieve, is we've focused in on actually trying to celebrate or at least vocalize when we make a mistake. And when somebody says, "Oh no, I made a mistake," our response should be, "Well, great, I'll probably make one by noon today too. So what have you learned? What are you going to do differently next time?" And that's my challenge to you. When you make a mistake, vocalize it, say it out loud, and then talk about what you're learning in the process and what you're going to do differently next time.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.